Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Instagram pictures. If you would like to download images from Instagram on your Android device, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download images from Instagram, the easiest way to do it is to go to your web browser and in the search box type in downloadgram. Make your search. In the search result, go and tap on the first link that you see, which will take you to downloadgram.org. Now, go to your Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Go find any images that you'd like to download. You can also go to your search button at the bottom of the screen and find an image that you can download. Now, once you find the picture that you'd like to download, tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on Copy Link from the expanded menu at the bottom. Once the link has been copied, go back to the website and simply paste in the link in the text box. Tap Download now and you'll be able to see the picture popping out in the display. Tap Download one more time and your download is done. Tap on the Open in order to open up the image. Now you can easily go to your gallery and find the image downloaded on your phone. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.